Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, we are going to be transforming this L-seat sofa into a bubble seat, and I'm going to be taking you step by step on how we did transform this sofa. Anyway, if you like this kind of videos, stay till the end of the video so that we can fully understand, watch all the steps, processes, and understand everything that we did during this process. This is how the sofa looks, and let's start the video. So first thing first, we normally start by disassembling the sofa, removing the old fabric and removing some parts of the forms that I've turned off. And also this is where we do some inspection to see the places that need some reinforcement, like the joineries, the nails used, and everything, so that when we start doing the makeover, the transformation, everything is in good condition. So we normally do remove the old fabric and then access the sofa, see if there are some repairs needed, reinforcement, and many more before we start doing the transformation. After that, we started doing the forming part, whereby we do install new forms, like you can see in the video, reshaping the sofa according to the design the client wanted, also depending with how the old sofa looked like. So yeah, that is what we basically do, and then start taking measurements and tracing the sofa, so that we can start sewing the fabric, the new fabric that we are going to be doing. This process of sofa transformation normally takes us 1 day, from early in the morning till late evening, of course, because it's a lot of work. And yeah, by the end of the day, you will have this sofa, or you will have your sofa made. Anyway, this is just us doing the tracing part, so that I can go and start sewing the fabric and start and continue with the makeover. Anyway, if you like this kind of videos, consider liking the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, and yeah, comment on it, tell me what you think about the transformation. Watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, processes, and materials that I've used during this process. Anyway, if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Yeah, like the videos, comment on it. You can also consider visiting our YouTube channel here. Watch more of our content because we have posted a lot of videos for you guys to enjoy and learn one or two from us. Also, we are going to be posting more videos on sofa transformation because we did take a break, just a step back and review everything generally business wise, content wise. And yeah, we are back again in full force. Yeah, we are back again for content creation, and for now I'm going to be posting more videos on sofa transformation because that is what we have started venturing into. So I have a lot of videos for you guys to watch, and also I'm going to be posting 1 or 2 videos on bed transformation because that is what we've been posting for a very long time, for a couple of years. But now we have ventured into sofas making, transformation and makeovers and everything. So I'm going to be posting more videos now on sofa. So if this is the kind of videos or content that you do like, consider hitting the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. If you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked, kindly consider liking the video, comment on it, and yeah, I will really appreciate that. Keep on supporting this YouTube channel. Yeah, support by watching the videos, commenting on them, liking them and sharing with your friends and family so that our content can reach more people. I'm sure you will learn 1 or 2 from us. And also, if you are interested in such services, we also do offer these services. We do transform sofas, makeover, and also we do make new ones. So if you want such services from us, you can just comment down there and I will get back to you and direct you how you can contact us and how we can go about transforming your sofas. Also, we still do transform the beds. So also, if you are interested in transforming your bed from wooden to modern, also from or changing the fabric such services we do offer. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving at this, and thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in my next videos.